Creating A3 size poster in Canva is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will show you exactly how to do it. So I will add the link in the description below for the Canva, so make sure that you check it out. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. So if you are new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe button and you press the bell icon for the future updates as well. So let's dive right into the video. So for making the A3 size poster in Canva, we need to know about the A3 size in pixels. So for that, head up to Google and search for the A3 size page in pixel. So right here, as you guys can see that it is 3508 pixels into 4961 pixel. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna head back to the Canva. Here, what we have to do is to go to the custom size right over here and add the width to it. So what we're gonna do is to add the width right here and then add the height right here and then select the pixels. Make sure that it's selected as a pixel. Then click on the create new design. So once you do it, your design will be created right over here. So what you guys can do is that once the poster is right in front of you, you can select between different sort of templates. For example, as the most running template is Halloween. So just go and click on Halloween. So here you guys can see that you can get the Halloween poster just like that. So once you have created a Halloween poster, what you have to do is to download this poster. In order to download it, go to the share option right over here. So here you will see a download button. Just click on it. So here it will ask you about different sort of sizes. So you are limited to the size, and if you want to upgrade the size, you have to go to the premium version. For the basic version, you are just limited to this size. So just simply go to the download button, and once you do it, your poster will be downloaded right over here. So here just go and save in your computer, and once you do it, it will be right over here. Let me open it up for you so you guys can see that what we have created in the Canva today. So this is the poster that we have created in the Canva. As you guys can see that the pixels ratio is very good and the pixels are not getting distorted. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.